What if your garage door suddenly collapses, risking injury or damage? This nightmare scenario can happen if a garage door cable breaks. Garage door cables are the unsung heroes, working with springs to lift and lower the door smoothly. But what happens when they snap? When a cable breaks, the door can become unbalanced, stuck, or even fall unexpectedly, creating a serious safety hazard. Several factors can cause a cable to break, including wear and tear, rust, improper installation, lack of maintenance, and obstructions in the track. Look out for warning signs like frayed cables, a door that sticks or slants, noisy operation, shaking, or slack in the cable. A broken cable can lead to a door collapse, misaligned tracks, strain on other components, and even security issues. If you suspect a broken cable, stop using the door immediately and secure the area to keep children and pets safe. Inspect the cable for visible damage, but avoid attempting repairs yourself. Call a professional technician to handle the replacement safely. Professionals follow a precise process: disconnecting the opener, releasing spring tension, replacing the cable, and rebalancing the door. Regular maintenance, including inspections, lubrication, and professional tune-ups, can prevent unexpected cable failures and keep your garage door running smoothly.